Hi there, I'm Myota Aung from Chutaoyan, Myanmar. I work with Worldview International Foundation and we protect and restore the mangrove forest here in Chutaoyan. The best part of my job is taking care of mangrove trees day by day. It's like being a gardener for nature. We don't just work in the forest, we bring our message into classrooms and villages, teaching children and neighbors why mangroves matter for our environment, our economy, and our culture. So this World Ocean Day, I invite you to join us. Share the story of your local mangrove. Plant a seedling, volunteer in a restoration project, or simply spread the word about this incredible ecosystem. Together, we can ensure mangroves continue to safeguard our shore, sustain our ocean, and keep our planet in balance. Thank you for listening and happy World Ocean Day.